everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 31, subject old record show, edit and update data in Laravel 12. And this is my tuition classes in Laravel 12 and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service +919941599815. This is a service in available. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run. Localhost PSP my admin, and this is my project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this my project is available. Gem directory inside the htdoc directory in this project. Let's subject open this subject. The subject inside this is a new action button, inside this edit button is a implementation. This is a list file is a open resource view admin subject, and this is an index file. This is a list file. This inside this is a new td ts action. Save file action and refresh this page. Successfully, this is the action inside this is a show. This is a action is a show. Please wait, this is a refresh this page. Inside this action show, good working. This is action is a show. Let's next inside this is a td is the implementation td, and this is a edit. Save file and refresh this page. Page is a refresh working. This is a edit is a show. Inside this is a edit button is a implementation miss icon is a implementation a tag srf class is a implementation. This is a class. Let's open. This is a student inside this is a index. Inside this same function is available. Let's same copy. This is a copy. This is a copy. Inside this paste here td, and this is a copy. Close this and remove this and again paste here. Successfully paste and subject inside this implementation subject. This is a subject. All go super admin subject edit $value_id. This is a save file. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is a good working. This is a edit is a good working. Good. Let's click this edit. This is a 2 number is a edit, and this is a 2 number is a available. Second is a 3rd number edit. Click this 3rd number is a available. This is a 4 number is a click this 4 number is a available, and this is a 4 record is available. Show this is a subject inside this 4 record is a show. This is a please wait. This is a wait loading this data. Loading data. This is a 4 record is a show inside this 4 record. This is a dynamic all implementation. Previous video this 4 record is a show. Let's click this edit, and this is the same name URL is a copy web.php open route. Inside this web.php open inside this get method route get paste here id subject controller, same name subject controller, copy and paste here class, and this is a edit save file. Successfully save file. This is a good working subject controller. Same name copy this edit copy and subject controller open this subject controller app http controller in this subject controller public function paste here. Successfully paste here. In this is id is a pass. This is id inside this pass here. This is a id pass here. Let's echo admin die. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully a tag is a show. This is a good working. This is a is show. Good working. Let's return view super admin dot subject dot edit save file. subject, let's subject is subject, inside this subject and this edit. Let's new file is a create new file and blade.php successfully hello show file and refresh this page and successfully hello show. Good working. This is a hello. Let's inside this edit file is a step by step create. This is a content, this same here, paste here, and this is a end and paste here. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully working fine. This good. Next is a same here, so all successfully set here, and this is a 2 is a created. Good working successfully. This is a subject, message is a show. Let's save file and refresh this page. Working fine. Edit update subject. Good working. This is a fine. Next inside this form is a set form start and close action method post crf token is a implementation, crf field token is a implementation, and this is action is a method is a post, and id means implementation item design form. This is a design form is a implementation. Let's first is a name is a select. This is a name. This is a name is a selected. All good. This is a name. Input type is a txt text. Name is a name blank class. Form controller required placeholder enter name. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully first is a good working. This is a name is a show. This is a first is a name. Second is a description is a show. Let's same name copy paste here. Inside this is not use this remove save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is the name is a description. Same name copy description and paste here description. Text area name description. Description is a name. This is a name is a description. This is name is a description. This name is a name. Let's name. Compulsory is a required. Description is a compulsory is a required, not a optional. Class form controller placeholder enter description. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully working fine. This is a 3 number is available. Let's click this button. Inside this is a English and text English, and this is a click this for number, and let's step by step inside this is a old record is a show. Let's show, and this is a table name is available, subject table name. This table name is a subject table name model. Inside this subject model is this inside this table. Let's same name copy and subject controller open. Inside this is a included. This include same name copy. Inside this is a $data get record is equal to paste here, and this is a find. This is id pass here. This same name id is a pass. This is a pass here id, and this close this. $data save file $data, and this is the same name copy. Inside this is a value dollar get record, and this is a name. Successfully first name is a search. Let's refresh this page. Successfully name English. Second is a description. Same name copy, and this is a description. and refresh this page. Working fine. This is a good working. This is a English. Let's Gujarati and good work in test in edit. Successfully all record is a good. This is a record is a good and update button new implementation. Inside this new update button is a set. This is a new update button is a set. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a update button is a implementation good working. And this is a new update button is a working fine. Same here, this is a method is a post. Let's web.php open, same name copy and paste here, and this is a post and this is a update, same name. Let's copy this name and subject open, public function, paste here, update and request $request, and this is a dd $request all. Save file and refresh this page and update successfully. This is a click this update, and this is available name and description. Name in the description is available. This is a name and description, and this is a database update. Let's $save is equal to $save copy and paste here and find $id $save, and this is a name is equal to trim, and this same name copy and paste here, save file, copy and paste here, and this is a name, same name, and this close this. Let's copy and paste here, description. This is a description, paste here and description, paste here, $save, and this is a save, miss update, and this is a return redirect. This is a file name is a file, this back button, click this, and this is a return redirect. In the same name copy and paste here, back with success record successfully update and save file. Let's copy the success message inside. This is available success file, this success message, and this message is already included. This is a file inside, this already included in this is a list inside bar available. Let's click this update, Gujarati and Gujarati test, and this is a 22 and this is a 16. This is a not update as it is a date is a not a sense. Let's update, and this is a not a date sense. Let's update. Let's inside this is the issue. Let's check this is a subject find trim. Okay, this is a good working. Let's check this, refresh this page, and this update variable undefined id. This is id undefined. This is id is undefined. Let's $id pass here. This is a $id inside this pass, but inside this not a pass. Let's pass here and refresh this page again, and this click this update, 100% update, but this is a not update as it is a working, but record is update. Let's 22 is available. This is a let's update record, and this is a go button, Gujarati English eng, and submit successfully Gujarati eng and go button, and this is a today is a correct date is update. This is the old date is update. Let's update, click this update, and this is science and work, and save successfully update. This is good working, this is good, and this is a database 100% is update this and this. Let's refresh this page, successfully update, good working. This is a date is a successfully changed. Please step by step write down. This is a two function is implement, this two route is a implementation, and this is a one button is a inside this implementation, and this is a fully file is a implementation, and this is a old record get inside this old record, edit and update is a done. And this is any doubt, so please contact this my official website. We are here to help 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. My YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.